um, open your task manager and close anything related to our Apex Legends. So make sure that you close anything in here. And also if you're using Steam, and if you're using Origin, make sure to end all of the Origin tasks. And because otherwise we cannot do the second step. Second step is to just hit Windows button plus R on our keyboard, and then just first of all type in %appdata %, and open this folder here, and then scroll down to you can also just search it Origin, and then just delete the Origin folder. So right click and just delete it. And then when you've done it, we can already close this. And another time, just Windows button plus R. And now type in %program data %. And again, enter. And then here the same thing. Search Origin and just delete it. Perfect. And when you've done it, we can already close this. And second thing I would always suggest you is to just try ending all of the tasks you don't need. So just again, open your task manager, click on more details here, and then make sure that you that you select all of the tasks that are demanding a lot of capacity, and then just click on end. You can also just try sorting by all, or use the sort option at all of these different components. So for example, in my case, I'm using a lot of memory right now, and then just look for the tasks that are demanding so much memory, and then think if I still need Microsoft Edge. If not, I would always suggest that you just select it and click on End Task. Yeah, that's already it. That's how you can fix the issue if your Apex Legends is crashing. Really hope this helped you guys. If you've got any questions or something did not work, I'm always happy to answer your comments in the comment section below. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you a wonderful day. See you in the next video. Bye.